Hello, I'm Dr. Manisha Sharma. I'm a consultant ENT surgeon at Bombay Hospital, Jaipur. I'll be talking about hearing loss in children. There are various causes of hearing loss. They can be congenital or acquired causes. Ideally, all newborns should be screened at the time of birth using a test called as OAE or otoacoustic emission. If parents or caregivers or teachers sometimes they feel that their child is not paying enough attention to the loud sounds or noises, or they are poor in their studies, or they are not paying attention to them when they are calling out their names, they must bring their child to an ENT doctor for a proper ear examination. Your ENT doctor will take a detailed history and will do an ear examination using otoscopy or endoscopy or microscopy. There are various causes as I mentioned earlier. So there can be a wax or foreign body in the ear which can cause hearing loss. There can be fluids in the ear, there can be infections in the ear, there can be an eardrum perforation. So depending upon the need, your doctor will advise you to get further tests done like pure tone audiometry, or depending upon the age of the child, behavioral audiometry or BERA. And based upon that, if they feel the need, they will get further tests done like a CT or MRI temporal bone. It is very important to address the hearing loss at an early stage, as hearing loss can be prevented and the quality of life of children can be improved and maximum hearing output can be provided. So it's very important that you must pay attention and get your child investigated by a proper ENT doctor. If there are ear infections or any sort of fluid in the ear, your doctors will provide medications, and if there is any further needs to be done, they will take care of that and will guide you further. Thank you.